This amazing apartment that is available for sale. I want to go inside and show you guys what this apartment looks like. I believe it's 3-bedroom apartments and 1-bedroom flat. It's available for sale, so I just want to just look at it and see how much it's going for, and show you guys what the inside of this apartment looks like, and I'll just decide if it's worth it or not. If I can afford it, if I cannot afford it, I move on with my life. Let me show you guys what the exterior looks like. Side view of this house. Yeah, it's exterior and it's for sale. Yeah. Wow. Okay, very nice. Sink, drainer, then your cooker in here, the wardrobes. Yeah, one exterior door here. Yeah, this is downstairs. Come on through here. Nice view. It's very airy. So in here is the pantry. Yeah. Store your food items in here, in buckets or bags. But you need to work on this. You need to work on this. Okay, this is the only one available. Wow. How much is it? Yeah? 55. So this is a visitor's toilet here. So this is the first bedroom. Wardrobe, basic. Space of the room is really small. This room is very small. Very small room. POP. Then the toilets is in here. Yeah, ma. Very dirty. Sorry. This toilet and bathroom is nice. See what it looks like. Yeah. It's the door. Yeah. So this here is the second bedroom. Wow, look at this wardrobe. Wow, wow, wow. It's so big. It's so big. I love it. Yeah, but the room is not too big. It's just standard bedroom size. Let me show you what's in here. So this is the bathroom. Yeah, that's here. It's water heater, toilets, and the bathroom. Yeah, nice. So this is the third room here. Oh, oh, I'm here, I'm coming. This is the third room here. The wardrobe, only this single window. Not nice, not nice at all. Not nice. Then toilet. Wow, this one is like a different world. And the bathroom. Yeah. Okay. Nice. So let me step out. Then this is for the TV. Yeah. Yeah, it's nice though. Of course, it has POP. Oh, I see how the POP is. Yeah. Till you get out. But then there are more POPs up here. The layouts. See, leading to other apartments. stairs. More apartment. Yeah. I like how the compound is. Yeah, Lita. Your parking space. Enough parking space.
I saw there one bed is
So the problem with the house is some things, so it's like you see some places are cracking up, like that kitchen side.
and they just finished the house. They understand.
Yeah.
The one bed is really big,
Oh wow. This is nice. Oh.
but it's not a
Did you ask me how much it is? Okay, they
it's
already
not
bought
a
it.
bed.
Oh, it's really nice. Oh.
It's very big.
Wow. Kitchen. It's even more organized than the other one because you can just put your fridge here. Yeah.
So this is more like a
Yeah.
dining actually.
Yeah. I like this. I like the one better.
Yeah, better. So you're not a dog, so you cannot have one bed.
Never finished it because there's still a hole here. Never finished it. Oh. I wish the room was bigger. And
Rooms are smaller. They didn't plan.
they should have structured the wardrobe to fit in with that hole in
They
there.
didn't plan it well.
Maybe planning.
They just built anyhow. They didn't use serious like interior things.
Yeah.
They just built
Even
anyhow.
the engineer that did probably like the structuring of the cement didn't really think it out well. Because this space now is just so bathroom,
They
toilet.
only have this space. If you're not going to put two.
Make use of it to the full. I think because of the window. And the windows are so thin. The windows are so thin. For somewhere that they really plan to make sure that the parking space was enough, they would have just made sure they thought everything out. Too bad.
Something like